Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther and I'm excited to have you here. Today we are making liquid soap, and this is what you'll need: a basin or somewhere you can do your mixing. You'll also need water. So I bought chemicals enough for 5 liters because it's for my personal use. So I bought 5 liters. Then for the chemicals, as you buy, they will explain to you how to mix them, because that's all you need to do. So they write numbers, like this is number 3. We have 1 up to number 7, and they will write for you how you are going to mix them. So it's nothing much, it's just mixing as they will write for you. So before I begin, I like to make some few things clear. First of all, these chemicals are quite, can I say dangerous? I don't know, but do your mixing in an open air space, whichever it is, because especially if you have kids, it's better to be safe. And then if you are anywhere around Naivasha, that shop is where I bought these chemicals. It's opposite Naivas Kubwa. You'll just see the shop around there. So let's begin our mixing. So they are written in numbers. So we'll start with number 1. As you can see, it has number 1. So we'll begin with this one. Like this. It's just a matter of mixing, and then if you feel you don't have enough time to do all this, you are still not left out. There are some, they have some ready, I don't know, ready to mix chemicals. You just buy, and you just have to add the amount of water that is in. This is number 2. Do the mixing and we'll be good to go, like that. Whoa. So, and don't ask me about the names of these chemicals. By the way, I don't know, and they don't tell you. They'll just tell you how to mix them. If you are new to this thing, if it's your first time or you don't know how to mix them, they will tell you how to do it. Yes, that way. So I'll be using this one for the mixing. Yeah, so you mix until they are well incorporated. From there, you go to the next one. Making your own cleaning products is easier. It does not require a lot of time, and you save a lot. And I told you, if you feel you don't have that much time to do all this, there is ready to mix package, and then it depends with the amount that you want. There is a package for 10 liters, 5 liters. Personally, I'm doing this one for 5 liters because it's for my personal use. I feel that this is good enough for me. So there you go. So this is, we go to the next one. This is number 3. As you can see, it's written. We do the next one. Yeah, and voila, there we go. Yeah, so we mix. So let's do the mixing. Guys, this is much easier than I thought. Wow, and it just feels amazing when you are the one doing it, because at the end of the day you'll feel at least attempted to do something and you achieved what you are looking for. So I think that's nice and well incorporated. We go to ingredient number 4 right there. Outside, and right now kids are at home, so don't mind the noise you're hearing at the background. Kids are at home. There's nothing much we can do about it. And that's done. Those ladies are very nice, by the way. They will explain to you how to do this and write for you as well, so that things don't get messed up. So that's done. We're doing now mixing number 5, and then we add water. And for the water, we are to add bit by bit as we mix. We add water, you mix like that until you are done. Doing number 5 like that. We mix everything until all is well prepared. And guys, if you feel this video is of help to you, kindly don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video whenever I post a new one. And it also lets me know that this is the kind of content you'd like to see more of, and it also lets me know that you like this video. So go ahead guys, go ahead, like, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell. So on to the next step, that is adding water now, bit by bit, as we still continue to mix. So there we go, like that. Let me mix. After I'm done with everything, this one will be ready by tomorrow morning. That is like 12 hours. Yeah, it will be ready by tomorrow. Right now it's around 4, and by tomorrow morning it will be ready for you. We're getting there. You see that? See? Hope you are going to try this. Kindly try it. It's a good way to ensure that you have a good product. Oh, this is amazing. Looks so nice. Oh, and there we go. It's done. We're done with the water. So now and mixing. I hope this video is helpful, and please do try this one. And if you do, let me know down below how yours went down. So yeah, I feel like it is nicely mixed. So on to the next ingredient. It's this one, number 6. So we add this one like that, and make sure these bottles and everything else you are using, you dispose them nicely, especially because of the kids, so that you won't end up having problems after trying to solve one. You have another one with the kids. Yeah, Make sure you are disposing them nicely. And on to the last bit of this. Now the color, we are doing pink, and this is the last one. And then we let it sit still until tomorrow morning, and it will be ready for use. I'm so excited, and I'm looking forward to seeing the outcome. But I can tell it is nicely done, like it's just nice. See that? See the consistency? And everything is well mixed up, I can tell you for sure, because I can't feed the lamps. No, they are not there. So it is nicely done. It's so easy and won't take much of your time. So I would highly recommend that you do this if you have the time, and even if you don't have, they have the ready to mix ones, so try it. Save your money now. You'll save your money and also have the right product, like the quality that you want, the consistency and everything. You save your money and also have what you are looking for. So thank you so much for watching up to this point. I'm so glad and I appreciate the fact that you've taken your time to watch this one. Thank you so much.